In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the communities that show up on your IDXBroker search page. So, for example, when you go to your advanced search page and anybody types in a city here, you may want to go ahead and narrow this search down by the cities that you actually work in, counties and zip codes you work in. So, for example, in the Nashville area, there are 2 Franklins. One's in Kentucky and one's in Tennessee. And you may only want the Tennessee one to show up. And there also may be a lot of cities in your MLS that you really don't cover or go to and want available in your search pages. So to do that, you're going to log into IDXBroker and you're going to come down here to Design and then Settings and then Locations. And you're going to see 3 different lists here. Now, you can do this one of 2 ways. You can edit the existing list, which is going to have all of the cities in it, or you can create a new list. I'm going to show you how to edit the existing list, and it works the same for city, county, and postal code. So we'll go ahead and click on this. And now you can see the list of all the communities in your MLS. So you'll notice that some of these are not even in your state. And my first thing that I would do here is come and remove all the ones that are not in my state. So I would go through this list and just come down and click on all the ones that are not in your state and keep going until you've done the whole list, and then click Remove Selected, and then click on Take Me Back to List Management, and that will save your city list. Do the same thing for county and postal code, and that will automatically apply to all of your search pages. Your other option, and this is easier if you have a smaller list of locations that you want to do, is to create a new list. So you can create a list here and choose which one you're going to create, and you're going to want to create one for each of these, or if you don't, you can just create one and the bulk list will apply to both the county and the postal codes. But if you want to create one for each, you can. So you click on city, and then one by one you're going to go ahead and put in your cities. So I'm going to type in Franklin, and it'll show every single city in the United States, but it won't work if it's not in your MLS. So you don't want to choose Connecticut if you don't have Connecticut, if that's not your MLS. So we're going to choose Tennessee and click Add, Nashville, Brentwood, and just continue adding until you have your short list. And if you mess any of them up and you want them removed, you check on them and click on Remove Selected. Once you've added all of these, you are going to want to sort alphabetically, and it will alphabetically sort these cities and then finalize, and you're going to give it a name, and then you're going to save the new list and it will show up. If you do choose to do a custom list, then you need to go to your page templates, and for each one under Advanced Search, Email Update Sign Up, all of these actually, you're going to go through them and you're going to click on Edit and then Search Setup, and then you're going to look for this list option. If it's not there, it doesn't apply, but if it is, you're going to click here and you're going to see your new city list there. Choose that, and you're going to do that for each of these page templates, and then you're going to hit Save. So make sure you do that. We can always do it for you if you want. Just send us an email and say, I created a new city list in my IDXBroker locations. Please apply it to all of my search pages, and we will get that done for you. It's part of what we do for free for all of our IDXBroker clients, though we cannot do the locations for you because that's something that only you would know what areas you cover. So I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 517-917-0582 or drop us an email at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. And if you don't have an IDXBroker developer partner, please consider Your Site Needs Me. There's a lot of cool free stuff that we do for all of our IDXBroker developer partners that you can get without having to pay a dime. So we'd love to speak with you about that if you're interested. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, pero, yeah.